Alright, so this is a video about the AlphaRex Nova series headlights. This is on a 22 limited Ram 2500. And we had some issues with these headlights when we bought them. And just the customer service, they're just kind of return them. There's really no solutions. Everything's just return, replace, and we didn't have time to deal with that. So the issues we had were, first off, one of the sides, I think it was the left side, the plug would not sit correctly, and so it would not lock into the pin, the locking pin. So what we had to do is shave off the little housing from the headlight so the plug could actually sit flush, and that solved the issue. The second issue we had was the high beam, which was this, did not work from the beginning. So what happened was the plug, on the plug there's a little pin, it was getting popped out. So you could try to fix it or just return them, replace them, but that's the issue we had. So we figured that one out. The low beam, the plug finally got clipped in. Then the next issue we had, since this is the limited model, we had the projector LEDs on it before, and we did get the converters that they're being advertised with. Additional, I think it was like $70 for the plugs. We used the converters to run these headlights, but we're still getting the error codes. There's 3 error codes. It was the left and right headlight, 2 error codes, and the third code was the I think it was adaptive lighting module was not connected, and those codes would not clear for anything. I tried to reach out to the customer service. They have no technical support really. They don't explain anything. All they could do is throw parts at you, telling you replace the harness, pull that, replace the headlights. So it just doesn't really get anywhere. So I had to hire somebody basically to program them out of the computer, to get rid of the codes out of the system. What he did exactly, I don't know. He wouldn't tell us, but we got them working, so we're not getting any error codes in the computer. So if you're trying to buy these, just keep that in mind. We had to go through this.